Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Making money with Michelle. Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? This is Michelle Maror, and today I want to talk to you about $64 in minutes. The day trading secrets you need to know. Okay, I'm going to give you a few day trading secrets so that you will know how to day trade if you are a beginner. Um, Let me tell you about my trade, and let's go from there. Now, I have, as this is my overall game plan right here, 1 to 1 million, baby. 1 to 1 million. You get 20 doubles on your money, and you got 1 million, even if you started out with $1. Okay? So, and I'll share with you how this happened to coincide with this day trade. Okay, first of all, number one secret, look at the direction of the market. The market was up this morning real big in the pre-market, and I thought this is a good day for a trade. So not every day is a good day for day trading. If you're trying to go long, then it's going to be a green day. You're going to be, a long trade is going up, trade it low and go up. You could trade if you became a more experienced trader on a red day, but you might want to be shorting stocks. Okay? So, first of all, I got the direction of the overall market, and it was up. Second, did some early scouting of the stocks in the pre-market to see which ones were up. And after the market opened, I began to go through those same stocks to see where they were going, whether they were going up or down, or what was going on. So I came upon HPCO. That's the ticker, HPCO. And it was up over 100%, I think, at the time that I actually saw it. So obviously in the pre-market it had exploded. And I went back to look and see. This is the other thing. So number two is getting up early and doing your research early to see what is trending for the day. That's number two. So I looked to see if there was any news with this stock. And there wasn't any apparent news, but there was some past news that I want to talk about. And that's the reason why I'm wearing my Marijuana Millionaire shirt. Snoop Dogg has been associated with this particular company, which is a marijuana stock. It's a company in San Diego, California. So Snoop Dogg has done some type of deal. So there was past news, and there's a big name associated with it. So there's news that people it would lend itself to credibility. Okay, so there wasn't any new news. There was just past news. So I'm like, okay, this thing is beginning to run a little. I got in on the stock at $2.56. Now this is another thing is it doesn't take a lot of money to be day trading, but when you're inexperienced, when you're beginning to do it, just start with a little amount, a small amount. $256 in my account is not a lot. It is not a lot. The stock was trading between, it was bumping down 230, 240, 250, and where I got in was 256. And I like the 256 because when I look at $1 to 1 million, right here. Right here at number 8 is 256. And I made $64. I set a target of $3.20. So I knew that I was going to get in and get out, because when these things go straight up, you can really get hurt if you stay in it too long and you think, oh, this is going to the moon, it's just printing money. And I'm a little bit of a baby. I'm a little bit of a conservative. Uh, as far as I work hard for my money and I don't like to lose it. So I set my target at $3.20. Well, immediately it went back down to I think it went down to even 230 something after I was in it at 256. That was to scare me into getting out. So I just stayed just a little bit, and then it bounced up. It went up to 230, 240, 250, and it was running fast. It was running fast at those numbers. And then it got to 270, and then it boom went back down to 240. And I thought, and then it started gaining again, and it went up 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, and then boom, it fell again. And I'm like, this thing, as fast as it's going like that, it is going to hit my $3.20 target. Now, I don't know how far, and if it goes up more, it could. And if you had more money, I don't have $25,000 in this account so that I could freely day trade. And you only have so many times that you can day trade in an account. So, that's why a lot of times I like to swing trade. But I will take an opportunity, especially with the volatility of the market. I will take advantage of that. When it goes up real big, I'm going to get in and out and take my profits. But anyhow, it went on, and it did hit my target of 320. I don't know where it's at right now. If I had more money, I could play it again. But look, I used $256, and I made $64. One day, boom. Now, that's not every day that you can do that. And if I had, like I said, if I had 25,000 in this particular account, I could do it over and over. But look, it just takes a few times doing this over and over and over and getting good at it. 20 good times, baby. 20 good times. Now, like I said, not every one of them are going to be 100%. But if you make 25% or 20% and you make 5 trades, that's 100%. See, I think that's about a 20% gain. I'm not sure. Not a mathematician. I think that's what I was trying to get, was 20%. 20, 25. If I did 25%, then that would mean that it would only take 4 trades on that 256 to get a consistent and get it to a double. But anyhow, that's my little lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this information. Tell me about it. Comment below. Share the video. And, of course, hit that big red subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.